In lesson number 5 with Willie, we worked on not charging pedestrians. It's an automatic fail on a driver's test. As well, giving the right of way in complex intersections due to parked cars along snowbanks in the wintertime. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information.
Right at the controlled intersection.
This one right here?
Yeah. Okay. So if they use that language, controlled intersection, yield sign, stop sign, traffic lights.
Oh, okay.
As opposed to you don't have to stop again. You can creep out nice and slow.
Oh, okay.
Go left at the intersection. Just turn your head 90 degrees. Just quick head turn.
Okay.
You don't have to look behind you.
Okay.
Don't have COVID.
I mean, neither.
What a crazy world we live in.
Yeah.
Go left right here. So this would be an uncontrolled intersection because there's no signs or lights.
Okay.
Watch, 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 watch.
Oh, sorry, people.
That's why you look.
Oh, my bad.
Now you can't do that on a driver's test because it's an automatic fail.
Yeah. Oh.
So make sure you're mapping those pedestrians as you're coming up to the intersection. So this is, let's go straight forward. So what are you looking for when you're driving down here?
Pedestrians.
Yeah.
Stop sign.
And what's the landmarks for pedestrians?
These right here.
Yeah, your crosswalks, right? So make sure you're scanning your crosswalks. Keep going. Get her up to 50 here. You don't want to really do much less than kind of 40, because then they're going to start dinging you for points, right? And we'll go right at this intersection, the controlled intersection here. So once they hit the halfway point, you can go around there.
Okay.
This person's going to shove in there, but that's okay. Never do that.
Okay.
What they just did.
If I'm turning right, I have right of way.
You do have the right of way, but remember the right of way is always
Given, yeah, not
It's
taken.
never taken,
Like,
and that person
yeah.
took it.
Yeah.
So you had to give them the right of way. And it's, you know, even after you start driving, not even for your driver's test, let them go and have their crash somewhere else, because they're going to go and have a crash somewhere else.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
That was nice.
Oh, crazy. Yeah. So she's.
We'll go left at the intersection. Well done. Thank you for not killing us. So is that in effect?
Yeah, because the sun's still up?
No.
Oh, is it because we're on winter break?
Yes.
Oh.
So it's not in effect.
Oh, I see.
You still can go a little bit slower because there might be kids
Yeah.
playing in the playground or whatnot, right? But you
Yeah.
don't have to do 30.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Only when school's in session.
Oh, okay.
Go left here. No, stop. Okay, they're gonna let you go.
Thank you.
But there's not enough room for both, so somebody has to stop, right?
Yeah.
Automatic fail on a driver's test.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, so move over a little bit. Move over a little bit. Okay, when you get near pedestrians, fixed objects, things you could hit, 3 feet minimum.
Okay.
So you saw that car parked there, you gotta move over a little bit. Because you never want the pucker factor with a driving examiner, right? You never want the driving examiner to go like that, because as soon as they go like that, you failed your driver's test. Go left here. When in doubt on your driver's test, either give the right of way or stop. Just stop and let the traffic figure itself out, and then you can proceed after that, okay? Don't push through something you don't know how to handle it properly.
Okay.
It's better to just stop, let the traffic clear, and then figure it out.
Okay.
But because it's wintertime, you're going to have those cars parked out in your lane, right?
Yeah.
Keep it going.
Felt a little nervous about it.
Take a breath, my friend. Take a breath. You're all good. It's like my karate sensei used to say to me, this is the place to fall down.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the place to fail your test, not when you're actually on your test.
Yeah.
Because the unfortunate part, or not the unfortunate part, but the part that's hard for us as adults to kind of come to grips with when we learn something is oftentimes the only way we learn something is by making mistakes and failing.
Yeah. Yeah. 100%.
But
Yeah.
we're not very good at it as adults. We don't like to not win.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh. Oh.
Nice. Drive forward, drive forward, drive forward, drive forward. Drive, 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 drive. As soon as the light turns yellow, drive straight into the
That's
intersection.
right. Okay. Yeah.
Because if you don't, and you sit there and wait, that's an automatic fail.
Oh.
You're sitting there, you're waiting, you know you got to go on the yellow, so as soon as the light turns yellow, start driving straight into the intersection.
Okay.
Don't commit to the turn until you're absolutely sure that that oncoming traffic is stopped.
Oh, okay.
That's why you drive straight forward. We got to get that down where you're as soon as it goes yellow, drive straight forward.
Yeah, it's definitely where I still feel very foggy and
Yeah,
unsure.
it's weird. It's a very weird concept, right?
Yeah. It's where I need to work on for sure.
And the other thing is that you may go through your whole driver's test and not deal with that, but you will deal with it after you get your license, right?
Yeah.
You'll have that, and that's how you keep yourself safe. That's the defensive movement.
Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best.